right, let's dive in and learn how to do Foursquare. You'll start by breaking into a Charlier position here, and then you'll use your right hand to break off into a Z-like position from this sideways packet. Instead of going directly out to the side, you'll come out a little bit, but you'll bring your right hand up and toward yourself so that this packet is sort of swiveling alongside the other one there. At the same time that you do this, you're going to do something else with your right ring finger, which is grabbing from this bottom packet and pulling a packet up like that. So if you put those two motions together, you break off into Z grip here, and you break off with your right index, with your right ring finger there, and you pull up and you keep going until these are nearly flat. And that'll give you a sort of display like this. Now you're going to do two things at the same time, which is flipping the face down packets on top of the face up ones. So with your left index finger, you'll push this one and start to flip it until it goes all the way over and lands in your palm there. Then this next one's a little trickier, so you're going to use your right middle finger here to pull toward yourself at the same time that you use this other face down packet to push away from yourself. And that'll give you some leverage to flip this packet over and let it land face up on top of the other one there. From there, you're going to go into the closer where you grip this Jack of Hearts packet between your middle finger and your ring finger of your right hand, and you'll start to lift it up and forward so that it goes into your palm there. But when you do that, you want to make sure that you keep this face down packet right at the corner of that Jack of Hearts packet, because as you move this up and forward, that'll allow you to slot this other packet right in to that Charlier position where that other packet's already sitting. From there, you're just in Charlier cut position here, and you can just drop the packet to end the cut.